Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quark Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Golf S. Obviously, the GTI is not the only Golf that is made. You also have the normal Golf. I say normal, but this car is still absolutely fantastic. This one's actually pretty much mint. 2017 model, 13,000 miles. Gotta cut the music so I don't get copyrighted. I thought I already did that. Turn it down, turn it down, turn it down. Da, 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 da. There we go. Would you look at that? This is the Wolfsburg edition too. Total price when new of $23,820. Tungsten silver, 6-speed automatic, even though a manual was offered. Love this silver trim on the inside too. That's just awesome. Put it in sport mode. We will try the paddles out as well. Is this the 1.8? Yep, 1.8 turbo. It's a really nice car. I'm a huge fan of the Golf, both GTI and base trim. And this one's just absolutely mint. Braking is really nicely done. Not overly boosted, but very progressive. Good amount of passing power. Bump it over into manual. I mean, you really don't need more power than this. Sure, you might want it. You definitely don't need it, however. Wow. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one.